Hi everyone, I'm Hovhannes Margarian with the Margarian Law Firm, where we handle exclusively lemon law and dealer fraud cases. Today we are inspecting this 2018 Acura MDX. This vehicle was recently purchased by our client from a local dealership, where she was made representations regarding the condition of the car. She recently found out that some of those representations were untrue. Specifically, this vehicle appears to have been in a crash involving the rear end of the vehicle. We're going to inspect the thickness of the paint. What I mean by that is we measured the thickness between the outer layer and the metal sheet component. If a car has been in a crash, like if it's been jammed in here, then there's a layer of Bondo that was put on top of it before it was repainted, and that means this layer is going to be thicker than another side, let's say if the front fender is all original. Once we do the assessment and if everything is confirmed as we suspect, we will have the legal basis or the factual basis for our legal argument that this vehicle was sold without the proper representations, and our client will have a right to seek a refund. Possibly she can also seek punitive damages for being defrauded, and of course attorney's fees and costs under the consumer protection laws that are very consumer friendly in the state of California.